If your hill descent control light keeps popping up, and it's driving you crazy, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check that usually sort this out. Let's get into it. Start with the easiest fix, turn the car off, give it about 30 seconds, then start it back up. A lot of these warnings show up from a small glitch, and a simple restart usually clears everything. If the light's still there, take a look at your battery. Hill descent control needs stable voltage, and loose or dirty terminals can trigger the warning. Make sure the battery connections are tight and clean. If your battery is weak, that can cause the system to act up too. Next, press your brake pedal, and check the brake lights. If they don't come on, or they flicker, your brake light switch may be faulty, and when that switch isn't working right, the HDC system shuts off for safety. If the warning is still showing, walk around the car, and check your tire pressure. Then take a quick look behind each wheel, at the wheel speed sensors. If a sensor is dirty, damaged, or the tire pressure is way off, the system can't read the wheels correctly, and the light will stay on. Now, give the system a quick test. Find a gentle downhill, press the hill descent control button, and drive slowly. If the system engages normally, and the warning disappears, you're good to go. And if the warning still won't go away, grab an OBD-II scanner, or have a shop scan it for you. Any stored codes will point you straight to the part causing the issue, so you don't have to guess. And that's it. Go through these checks, and in most cases, you'll find the problem pretty quickly. If one of these steps solved your issue, drop a comment telling me which one. If it didn't, leave your car's make, model, and year, and I'll help you diagnose the problem. Thanks for watching.